Hi, today in front of me VIVO X90 Pro and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So let's first open the settings application and then scroll to the lock screen and wallpaper. Then tap here to the wallpaper section. Click to yes, I agree. Allow. And here you'll see all of the default wallpapers on your device. Also, we could click to local images and to use our photos from our device gallery previously taken on device camera or downloaded from the internet. Also, you could click here to download more and use online wallpapers. So let's, for example, use now one from these available wallpapers. For example, this one, click to apply and tap set as lock screen. We can see that this wallpaper has applied successfully, so let's just lock the device. And we can see that we just successfully changed the lock screen wallpaper. Also, we get one more way how we can do that. Just hold for a while the home screen with the finger, then tap the wallpapers icon and select one from the available wallpapers here. Or just let's use one from the online wallpapers. For example, this one. Click to download. You could preview it. Click to apply and tap to set as lock screen. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.